Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the lift supports on the Lincoln MKZ. Alright guys, if your trunk doesn't open like it should, it kind of stays down, and it's really hard on this trunk to get your fingers under here to lift it, and then it doesn't stay open. That's because you need new lift supports, okay? So I'm going to show you how to change them. They're pretty easy to change. Okay, first thing you're going to do is get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, and you're going to stick it under here and pop this like this and pull it. And it comes right out, okay? Do the same thing on the bottom, just pop this open. And that's it, and this whole thing comes off. Alright guys, these are the new lift supports. I'm going to leave a link in the description in case you want to buy them from Amazon. Let's pop these on. Okay, the new ones just pop right in. And it's the bottom one. You may have to lift on the trunk a little bit to get it in there. There you go. Alright, that's what it looks like installed. Make sure these little clips are pushed all the way in, okay? And just repeat the same thing for the other side. Alright guys, now you can open up your trunk with one finger. Look at that. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.